So basically we'll be cooking this beef. So this is rib, is it? This is just flour, isn't it? Flour, a bit of garlic, and that, and we have some. So my husband is on it today. He's the one cooking. Yum yum! This is going to be absolutely fantastic. So I think we're just going to brown it, isn't it? Yeah. So we're going to fry everything like this. Clip of what we will be doing, and this is beef stock. And that's, yeah, onion, leeks, and that. It will be nice. It's already looking lovely. So the first stage is all done. So all the food. So you kind of pre-fry this and the onions and that. So it's yeah. This is so yummy. Oh. So far, garlic went in and tomato paste. So, yeah. This is when you marry a man that can cook. My husband is this kind of person who can cook. This is a proper winter meal. My mouth is already watering. Yeah. So apparently that's flavor. Yeah. So let's see what he's going to do with the bun pa. Let's go up enough wine went into that. Yeah. Oh my goodness, like that is what is remaining of that bottle. So I think we are going to be drunk from this food today.
Would you reckon burn on the bottom or burn on the top?
I would say at the bottom. No, on the top. No, because like the flavor will sink into the meat and the. I don't know. You
burn on the bottom, I think.
You are the one doing it, so I wouldn't like to interfere. That's the last one. We've managed to. Oh, chicken stock goes with the wine. No, not chicken, beef. You can speak, you don't need to be mute. Post to be organic as possible. Oh my god, that is heavy. I love that.
I want to get this off so I can reuse it.
I'm feeling to see how the food is going. This is after how many hours? 3 hours. Whoa. Oh, ooh. Ooh.
Get in there. Not quite there yet, though.
No?
No, but it shouldn't be. It's got another hour at least. It's going to come off.
The big ones usually they are. Yeah, it's not that far.
It only needs another hour to be super tender. Ooh, it's not actually that tender yet though, even though it's fallen off the bone. Still quite firm. It's rather slightly. I'm going to pour it through, but it's going to be a little bit lower. It's worth doing it. Just put it on top.
So this is after 3 hours of cooking, and this beef is going to go back to the oven again. I'm so sorry I couldn't really vlog as much because we have been
Hallelujah.
Is it cooked the way you want it? We ended up using the full bottle of flour. This food was delicious. So when our guests came, they ate so much. We make potato tofu.